Okay, so we are going to do a pod review today on that pepper right back there. And that pepper is called the sweet banana pepper. So I haven't grown this pepper in probably 3 or 4 years. I still had seed to it, so I'm going through some of my old seed inventory so I can regrow them and get new fresh seed for it. So this pepper right here is from 4 or 5 year old seed. I didn't mark it at that time, but it's pretty old, I can guarantee you that. And let's pick it. The leaves are all over the place. And that's what it looks like, fully ripe. Look how flat that one is. That is the sweet banana pepper, and these are usually sold in supermarkets in that stage right back there. You can see they're like a bone color pepper right there. That's the sweet banana pepper. I think there's another, they go under another name. This pepper is called the sweet banana. So let's take a look at it. And like I say, most of the time people don't eat this pepper when they get this red. They usually eat these when they are in their bone color stage, like you would do with a bell pepper, for example. You would eat them in their green stage because of the flavor. And this is quite a good sized one, actually. The fact that it's flat like that is really strange too. So just trying some different lighting, guys, because I don't know what's going to show up good here or not. I'll put you in the shadier side. Alright, so let's turn you around and give it a go. Alright guys, here we go. This is a pod review for the sweet banana pepper, and my camera might look a little bit different than I normally hold it because I have either a torn rotator cuff or it's a tendonitis of some type in my shoulder, so I can't hold my camera in my normal hand the way I'm shooting. So it might seem a little awkward or I'm not holding it right. It's because my shoulders, I'm in a lot of pain and my shoulder's just not cooperating today. So anyway, here it is. This is the sweet banana. And I let this one go to full ripeness so I can get good seed from it. And just kind of show you what it looks like. Sorry about the difficulties. I cannot raise my hand up because I have a injured shoulder. But I can do it like this. That is one beautiful pepper, guys. I do not know if this is hot offhand. I haven't grown this pepper in years. But we're going to do a taste test on it right now, and we are going to see if this is hot. So let's give it a bite. Wow, I definitely got to say the flavor of this thing is absolutely delicious. It almost tastes a little like banana. Now, when you eat these when they're in their lime green stage or their cream color stage or green stage, whatever you want to call it, when you eat them in that stage, they're generally not sweet like this. If you let them ripen up and they get nice and sweet, man, these things are good, guys. I could eat these things like popcorn. I mean, they're really good, sweet. Thing is, again, and I say this for a lot of peppers, you may not necessarily want to let your peppers go to full ripeness because you may not want the sweetness in your cooking. So just keep that in mind. This is one of those peppers you can let go full ripe or you can eat them green. I definitely eat them both ways. But let me try to describe the flavor for you. Okay, so when you let them fully ripen, they generally have a very sweet flavor that overwhelms your palate with that more than the flavor of the pepper. It does have a peppery flavor, but very light, because the overtones and undertones of the sweetness and the fruity taste that's kind of in there, not fruity like habanero, but it has like its apple-y type flavor. Those over and undertones are stronger than the pepper flavor itself, which kind of defeat the purpose of eating a pepper. Why not just add apples to your cooking? If you let them ripen up all the way, they are going to get very sweet, and you are going to get a very, very sweet tasting pepper. And I can guarantee you the sweetness on this pepper is absolutely incredible, which is very different in taste than when you eat them in their lime green stage, or a green stage, should I say. Very different in effect and flavor. It's good both ways. I see why this pepper is very popular in supermarkets and farmers markets, because it really hits the palate in a lot of different ways than a lot of other peppers do. It's not quite a Marconi. It's not a Cubanelle. It's its own type of flavor sensation, and it's very desirable. So the flavor is just simply what I just described. There's so far no heat on this. I feel like I'm eating an icicle pop here. There's no heat on this at all. It is a true sweet pepper. I don't remember if it has a little heat like a poblano or not. But this particular one that I'm showing you now has absolutely no heat on it. It's a sweet pepper, and I say sweet, I mean literally sweet. This thing's sweet like sugar. And it's quite a delicious pepper. So we'll offer seeds for this on my website at the end of the year. You'll be able to pick them up at hrseeds.com. That's it for the review. It was a quick review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one. Take care.